8 pot of soup.
Thousand or more
1,000 spinners.
for overall for all the pots.
It's a pinch, roll, and dash.
We do four porridge on a Saturday, 5 porridge on a Friday, and 3 porridge during the week.
I'm gonna wash them and chop them.
Yeah,
Golden brown.
nice. Boy, these fried dumplings, they're big though, you know? Yes, guys, so we're here with Patricia. Early in the morning. How are you?
I am good.
So we're here like 2 a.m. in the morning. What can we expect on the menu for today?
Today is Saturday. We have red pea soup, our best seller, cow foot, goat, chicken foot, corn, gungo peas with beef,
Yeah.
and fish.
Okay.
Lots of food today. Come on, let's go.
Yes, guys, early in the morning, 2 a.m. I'm here at Souperlicious, yeah man, in Toronto, Weston Road and Finch, guys, and I'm here in the kitchen. As you can see, 8 pot of soup. So far, they have 7 pot cooking right now, but they're doing 8 pot of soup. Oh gosh. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Yeah man, because it's gonna be epic video. You don't want to miss this.
Alright, so today we have the red peas with oxtail and beef. This is gonna be the corn soup. That's gonna be the corn soup. This is the chicken foot soup. That's the cow foot soup. That in the back is the chicken soup. This is the goat soup. That's the gungo soup. And we're gonna do a fish soup in a little bit. 8 soups in all, but starting off with 7.
Okay.
I'm gonna add the chicken foot to the pot, so we'll start boiling first, then I'll add the vegetables to start off. That's the chicken foot soup. Alright, so this is the cow foot for the cow foot soup. This is the beef for the gungo soup. This is the goat for the goat soup.
Okay.
So it's not manish water. This is just the goat.
Just the goat
soup.
meat.
Just the goat meat for the goat soup.
Okay.
Alright, so this is the oxtail and beef for the red pea soup, which is everybody's favorite. But I think it's the most popular.
Oh.
Oxtail and beef in the red peas.
Okay. So the biggest pot.
Yeah, that's why the pot is the biggest.
8 pot of soup.
7 so far.
7 so far, yes.
The fish is gonna do after.
Okay.
I'm washing the peas for the red pea soup. So I'm now adding the peas. So these vegetables to start off the soup, we have carrots, pumpkins, potatoes. We prep them overnight, so it's easier for us to work in the mornings.
Yes, because you guys here from early in the morning, 2 a.m.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because we do a lot of soups, it would be so hard to, you're prepping everything in the morning.
Yes.
So everything is made fresh, so we have to
Prep it from overnight.
prep it from overnight.
Yes. Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna wash them, and then this is for the chicken soup.
Oh, that's for the chicken soup?
Yeah.
Wow. So the vegetables. So right there you have your carrot, your pumpkin, and the potato.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what you used to start them off. This is the base of the soup. So now I'm adding all the vegetables. to start off the chicken soup. So this is the base. So now I'm adding all the vegetables for the base, for the red pea soup. So now I'm adding the cover to the red pea soup, so you know it can boil in the meantime. Yeah. Now I'm adding the vegetables for the cow foot. So I'm adding this to the chicken foot soup. Yeah. So these are the vegetables for the gungo. So this is going into the corn soup.
Okay.
All the vegetables for the corn soup.
See that, guys?
I'm gonna chop some garlic to start off my curry goat.
Yeah.
I'm gonna chop some onions to start it also. Chopping some onions to start off my curry goat. Alright, gonna have my onions sauteed to start my curry goat. Onions and garlic. Alright, just kind of getting a good saute on my garlic and onions to start off the goat.
You can just smell the aroma come from the garlic.
So, you know the authentic Jamaican way we burn our curry
Yeah.
in the oil. So, this is better pot curry, by the way.
Oh.
So I'm just gonna add a little bit and let it kind of burn with the onions and garlic. So now this is my goat that has been seasoned for almost 48 hours. So it's well marinated, well seasoned to the bone. So I'm now gonna add this to the oil. Alright, so let's turn down the stove. So turn down the stove so it can start make its own juices.
Okay. So you know we're here with Chef Winston. What are you gonna cook today?
We're gonna do some porridge. We're gonna do oxtail. We're gonna do some rice and peas. And we're gonna do some plain rice and jerk chicken.
Okay. All right.
We do four porridge on a Saturday, 5 porridge on a Friday, and 3 porridge during the week.
Okay.
So this week we're gonna, on a Saturday you get almond, you get cornmeal, you get peanuts, and you get amani corn.
Okay. Nice.
Do some cream
Okay.
for the porridges. This is when we start it off.
Okay.
So when you get that porridge, you have that creamy flavor.
Okay.
This is my Amani corn.
Okay. Leave it to soak overnight?
Yes, we prep them the night before
Yes.
and for the next morning.
Okay.
Just making it all juices.
I make my own juices right now, eh?
So I have here peeled garlic
Okay.
and chopped onions.
Yes.
So I'm gonna add all of these to my blender, and I'm gonna add these to my soups.
Okay.
And I may add a little to the goat, but it's for the soup.
Okay.
Alright, so now I'm adding my garlic, blended garlic and onion to each of my soups.
Okay.
As you know, the red peas is the biggest pot, so it has to get more.
Yeah.
This is what I use to stir my red peas pot.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Gosh.
So I'm just gonna cover that and let it continue to boil. This is my corn that has been pre-cut and frozen, so now I'm gonna add it to my corn soup.
This is my jerk chicken,
Okay.
marinated
Yes.
48 hours.
48 hours.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're ready to put it in the oven right now?
Yeah, we're gonna make it steam for about 20 minutes because we finish it off on the grill.
Okay.
All right, this oil is for the oxtail.
Okay.
We're gonna serve some garlic and onion.
Okay. You just have that sauteing right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you're in the kitchen, it's safe to come first.
Yes.
So you normally put a towel
Yes.
under the cutting board.
Okay.
This is the onion for the oxtail. So
Okay.
we're going to put it inside the pot. This is the oxtail marinated 48 hours as usual.
Yes.
Yeah,
So you know, say well seasoned.
well seasoned.
And the season well soaking
Yeah.
and marinate inside of it.
Good to go.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. Wow. Look at that, guys.
I will let it sweat and build its own water.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so I've prepped all my seasonings for the soup. And you know, here at Souperlicious, we use a lot of natural seasonings. So I'm gonna wash them and chop them for my soups. You
Okay.
can, as you can see, I have onion, a nice big green hot pepper, garlic, bay leaf, thyme, scallion, and I'm gonna add some pimento also. These I'm gonna chop for my and blend. I blend my seasonings for my soup.
Okay.
So I'm gonna chop my scallion and add it to the blender. Thyme. So I prefer to puree my seasonings
Yes.
and add it to my soups so I get the maximum flavor from them. Alright. So I'm gonna add my bay leaf. Add some onions. As I said before, we use lots of natural seasonings in our soups. And I'm adding some more garlic.
Okay.
So to top it off, I'm gonna add some pimento. Alright, so this is the results of my blended seasoning.
Okay.
So when I'm finishing my soups, I will add this puree to each pot. So
Okay.
this is my blended green seasonings, all of them. So I'm getting maximum flavor from it when it's pureed.
So we already put in the amani corn
Yes.
for the amani already. This is going to be for the almond. This is going to be for the cornmeal, and this one for the peanut.
Okay.
So normally we make them reach to a boil before we add the mixture to them.
Okay.
This is our peanut that we pre-prep.
Yes.
Our cornmeal that we pre-prep, and our almond that we pre-prep.
Okay.
Because we believe in 90% of the work is pre-prep. You have to get your stuff then prep, so when you
Yes.
come the next morning,
More easier.
you're good to go.
Okay. So what kind of porridge normally Souperlicious have here?
Normally, most of the time we have cornmeal, peanut, and amani.
Okay.
Yeah. Because the peanut and cornmeal is our best seller.
Peanut and cornmeal?
Yeah.
Okay. Although corn hominy is my favorite still, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
That still become one of our good seller.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna add the peanut.
Okay.
This is the cornmeal mixture.
Okay.
I'm gonna pour in the pot.
Okay.
So we're gonna add the almond.
Okay. Yes, guys, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen. As you can see, hot for days. Mean you have porridge going, you have soup going, you have curry goat going, you have oxtail going, and you have many more to go. This is called kitchen.
Alright, so here I have some peeled bananas. Just the outer layer of the skin is peeled to go into. One set is for my goat soup,
Yes.
and the other set is for my fish soup. And you know, we Jamaicans, banana, okra is a must for fish soup.
Yes, it's a must.
It's a must for fish soup, yeah.
Yes.
So I'm gonna just cut them and set them aside. Alright, so I'm checking on my goat. See, the goat has
Spring
its own water. You see all that water?
Yes.
So I don't need to add any more water to it anytime soon. I'm just gonna let it continue to simmer in its own juices. All this is from its own juices. All this.
Yes.
So I'm just gonna let it continue simmering until it goes a bit down. Then I'll add a little bit of water.
Okay.
So now my flour for my dumplings or spinners for my soups is already needed.
Yes.
So I'm gonna start the process of making around 1,000 spinners.
Hold on. How much you said?
1,000 or more
1,000 spinners.
for overall for all the pots.
Wow. So
Yeah.
guys, 1,000 dumpling for the soup.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we make them like this.
Okay, so you like these already made from.
No, we make them when we come in. Like when we come in the morning,
Yes.
we make these first and set it aside.
Okay.
So it's ready when it's time for them to be added to the soups. It's a good workout.
Yes.
So,
As you can see,
'cause
you
you
make.
have to be rolling them,
Yes.
then aiming them into the pot. It's a good workout.
It's a technique too. You have to know what
Yeah,
you're doing.
it is. And the thing is, you have to be counting in your head also, because different pots have different amounts.
So let me ask you: do you have a certain amount to go in one pot? How
Yeah.
much? How much to go in one pot?
So it depends. So for like the chicken foot and the corn soup, those
Yes.
are the smallest amount, and like the gungo we put like 75. So the goat and the cow foot will have like 100. The chicken will have like 200,
Yes.
and the red peas will have over 300.
Yes, because red peas soup you have to have a dumpling.
Yeah,
Yes.
because you know Jamaicans, they love their dumplings.
Yes.
Yeah.
As
So-
you see, guys, look at that. Just a pinch, roll, and dash. So yes, so pinch, roll, and dash. Right, Winston? Yes. 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 Yes.
Oh, yeah.
See, guys, it's a vibe here in the kitchen. Not also good food, but where's the Winston? Always.
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 Always produce.
Good
Yeah.
food, good vibes, you know?
Good
It's-
food, good vibes.
It's not only the ingredients that goes into the pot makes the pot really and truly taste good.
Yes.
I think it's the vibe and the energy of the chefs.
Yes.
And Winston and I have such a good relationship. We work well together.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
We always have a vibe.
Yes.
Always vibing.
And I realize it's 2 a.m. in the morning. You
Yeah.
guys come here from 2 a.m., start cook from 2 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because we make everything fresh.
Yes.
So in order for, we open at 6:30. So in order for you guys to get everything fresh, we have to rise and shine from 1 a.m. and be here by 2 a.m. Yeah, so in order for, we open at 6:30, so we come in at 2 a.m. So everything, you'll get it fresh. You can come in at 6 and you can get your soups, your porridges, rice and peas, fried chicken, jerk chicken. Everything is ready for 6.
Wow. Guys, see that? You can come early in the morning and get your curry goat, your rice and peas, your oxtail. Nobody mentioned the soup. Soup ready from 6 o'clock in the morning. Wow.
And the porridges.
See that, guys? Yep. And porridge. And porridge. Yes. Blended garlic.
Blended garlic and ginger.
Okay.
Yeah. My blended green seasoning.
Oh, so you're gonna add some of the season that you blended earlier.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Look at that, guys. Wow. Yeah, man. Nice.
I'm gonna finish my corn soup and my chicken foot soup. So I'm gonna add 2 spoons of my blended seasoning to each.
These are the thyme, scallion, otherwise known as green onion, for the oxtail and rice and peas.
Okay. Okay, so these are this way you're just cutting up.
Yeah, these are our condiments for the rice and peas.
Okay.
Take that down. Take it out.
Why I able to cut like this? Because years of experience, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah.
So how long you been cooking for now, chef?
I'm cooking for about 30 years.
30 years.
Yeah.
So what inspired you to be a chef?
Well, from my mother, you know. From youthful days, you know, I love to be inside the kitchen with her.
Yes.
Yeah. So as I said, we pre-prep our stuff.
Yes.
So we put in our condiments in the rice and peas.
Yes.
And then we put it on the fire.
Okay.
All right.
See that, guys?
I'm gonna add my last set of potatoes
Yes.
to my corn soup and my chicken foot soup as I'm finishing them off.
Okay.
So I'm adding the potatoes to the corn.
Oh, so this is where the chicken foot?
Yeah.
Okay.
I usually dissolve it in water, mix it out before I add it to the pot.
Okay.
It gives a better result, no lumps. So going into the chicken foot.
Yeah, man, the oxtail, come on, right?
Yeah, man.
Yes, guys. Look at that. So, guys, as you can see, you have 2 of them making dumpling because they have so much dumpling. What you said, 1,000 dumplings?
Over 1,000.
Or 1,000 spinners, I should say.
Yeah, spinners.
Yeah, 1,000 spinners. What you say, Chef Winston? I say pinch, roll, and dash.
Alright.
Yes.
Yeah, this is our part of the condiments, chopped garlic that we put in our meat, you know.
Yes.
Also our rice and peas.
Okay.
Yeah.
So garlic is a must.
Yeah, man.
Garlic is a must.
Add flavor.
Yes. Yes.
Spice is a variety of life.
That's it.
So we just add some more garlic.
To the oxtail.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let it go and simmer.
Nice. Look at that, guys. Look at that. See all the meat, you see all the dumplings, see all the vegetables. Gosh. Yes.
So this is the rice and peas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So it's
Yeah,
well
man.
seasoned up already.
Seasoned up already.
Yes.
So we're going to make it boil up.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we add the rice.
Okay.
I have my green peppers, hot peppers. I'm gonna chop one. And these mustard and kimchi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at that. Flavor.
Yeah.
Gosh.
And now I'm adding my coconut and free cook to my soup.
Oh, so that's a caramel porridge right here, chef.
Yeah, yeah.
Gosh.
Nice and so when we finish, we're going to add our sweetener.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And spice.
Yes.
So I'm adding the last of my natural seasonings to the goat to finish it off. I have blended ginger and garlic, carrots, onions, fresh thyme, and green onions also.
Okay.
Yeah. Adding all of this to the goat.
Look at that, guys. Yes. Yeah, man. So it goat almost.
Yeah, it's
finished.
almost done. Just gonna simmer a little. And
Yeah.
then gonna add a little bit of water.
And the goat, they love their goat when they come here, eh?
Yeah, the goat is a fresh choice for the customers.
You can smell the aroma, they can smell the seasoning, eh? Yeah, man.
Scotch bonnet in there.
Oh, gosh.
Just adding enough water.
But you say you added some scotch bonnet in there?
Yeah, we have scotch bonnet in there. Give it a nice spice.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
it's a little kick.
Yes. Because when you have your curry, you know, you have to have a little bit of heat to it,
Yeah,
right?
man. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So these are the spices for the porridge.
Okay.
And I normally mix and then you add it to the porridges.
Okay.
So each pot get a batch of spice.
Okay. Yeah. As I'm saying, the chef have to have a lot of muscle, you know,
Yeah, man.
to mix these porridge, you know. Man. So you just add your final spices to it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I can
And the
smell that.
cinnamon,
I don't know, but a cinnamon you add to it.
Yeah.
Yes, because we can smell the cinnamon to it. And all the other, oh gosh, guys, look at that. Wow.
Huh?
Yeah, man. Look
Nice
at that.
consistency, yeah?
Yes. So it's ready now, chef?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, as you can see, corn harmony. Yeah, man. Chef,
Yeah,
the scent will come from that.
yeah, man.
All the spices where you put into them porridge here.
Yeah, definitely.
Man,
Yeah, man.
oh gosh. Guys, look at it.
I get all of them ready now, so
Yeah.
about time to throw in the pan and put on the line.
Okay. Just adding your final touch to the chicken soup. Yeah.
Mixing up the chicken soup now. So this is the chicken all washed, ready to go in the chicken soup.
Okay.
And it's the last thing that I add to my soup because I don't want it to get all stringy and mashed up. It's the last thing that goes in.
Okay, that's why I realized that the last
Yeah.
thing you put. See? That's for our fried chicken right there, guys.
Yeah, so this is my seasoned flour to do my fried chicken.
Okay.
Yeah. So I just mix it all around. I've added all my spices and
Yes.
stuff. So we're gonna mix it around to get it ready
Yes.
to add my fried chicken.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. See that, guys?
This is my fried chicken that has been in a marinade for about 48 hours.
48 hours.
Yeah. I normally do it in a liquid marinade.
Okay.
Yeah.
So-
Not just add dry seasonings. So it's seasoned to the bone.
Okay, so all the season well marinated.
Well
sir?
marinated.
Yes.
One of the best fried chicken in the GTA.
What I say?
Yeah.
Alright guys, you know, so I have to try this one because, you know, and you can see the seasoning down on it too, you can see, you can know say well seasoned too, you know. So like how much of these chicken you gonna do for the day?
It depends. I'll start off with like 50 pieces.
Yeah.
And then maybe another 50 throughout the day, more sometimes.
Okay, so
Yeah. It depends.
during out the day you will be making more while the day.
Yeah, as the day progresses.
Okay.
Now I'm tossing my chicken in the flour.
Yes.
And you know, when you're tossing it, you kind of give it a little squeeze.
Yeah.
So the flour sticks to the meat.
Okay. And you see you're doing it the old school way here.
Old school way.
Yeah.
In a Dutch pot.
In a Dutch pot.
On the stove, yeah.
See that, guys?
Yeah, so now I'm gonna add my chicken to my oil that is already preheated. Just give it a little shake to get off the excess flour.
Yes.
Patricia. So these will fry for about 25 minutes, constantly turning.
Okay, so 25 minutes.
Yeah, 25 minutes and I know it's done, but you know, constantly turning.
Okay, so that they don't stick on each other,
Yeah,
right?
and they don't burn.
Okay.
Yeah. So, you know, I'm turning my chicken.
Yes.
They're just starting to change color.
Yeah.
I'm just turning them so they don't stick and burn.
So you have a timer or something to know when the time
No,
it.
I use the clock up there.
Okay.
And I have an idea. I've been doing it for a while, so I have an idea when it's done.
Yeah. Look at that, guys.
Yeah. The color is getting there.
Yeah.
Getting golden brown. Then wait some more minutes.
Nice.
You know, 25 minutes have gone and I'm removing my fried chicken from the oil.
Okay.
They're golden brown.
Golden brown.
Well done.
Yes. Nice and brown. Look at that, guys. Yeah, man. This is what you call fried chicken. Yes. Look at that. Yeah. So you're gonna let it sit and
Yeah, let it drain a little.
drain off a bit.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna add the next set to the oil.
So this is your barbie fry?
Yeah.
Okay. See that, guys? That's their barbie fry right there. The sauce, that's a fried chicken what they dip in the sauce. Yeah. So you're gonna put it in the oven after? Gonna put it in the warmer? Okay. Look at this, guys. That's their barbie fry right here. Mmm. Nice and juicy right now. Look at that. Gosh. When you're looking at this, tell me you don't want some. Oh gosh.
Patty, this callaloo patty, shrimp patty, ackee patty, callaloo and saltfish.
Okay.
Yeah, so all patties.
Alright. Nice.
Chicken soup is now finished. So I'm gonna turn it off. Chicken
Okay.
is cooked, everything is cooked.
Yeah.
It's the burn.
Okay, so you say chicken soup. Finish.
Yeah, so all the soups are ready currently. except for the red peas, and it's now 10 minutes to 6.
Okay.
So we're on track. So now I'm gonna add my fish to the fish soup.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you use the fillet.
Yeah, I use bass fillet.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get the other stuff to finish this off, just let it boil a little.
Yes.
Yeah. So now this is my fish. I'm adding my okra and bananas. And you know, fish soup can't do without okra.
That's true.
Always have to have a little okra in a fish soup.
Yes.
Yeah. And our green bananas. See?
Ah. Look at that, guys. Look how rich that look.
Rich.
Yes. With all those vegetables and, you know?
Yeah, when this okra cooks, it's gonna be so strong back for the man them.
Right. You hear that? Oh gosh, look at that pot of soup here. Good red pea soup, right?
Yeah.
As long as we know where the corn and the soup will go, the other one for
Yes. Nice. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Say, look delicious, eh?
Very. It's our best seller.
Red pea soup.
Red pea soup.
Yeah.
So we light up the grill, ready
Okay.
to put the chicken on.
Okay, so this is where you're gonna do your jerk chicken.
Yeah. And they're going to get the authentic jerk chicken.
Okay.
You know?
Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah, man.
See that, guys? Look at that. Nice little jerk pan here, you know?
And you put some juice to cause some disturbance, you know?
Yes.
It monitor the flame of the fire also.
Yes. Can dehydrate it up a little bit, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Look at that, guys. See that, guys? Look how they have the thing just getting really authentic way, you know? Smoke it on the grill. Yes, sir, chef.
Smoke it out.
I'm making fried dumplings.
Fried dumpling. Okay.
So I use the flour on the tray to prevent the dough from sticking to the pan.
Okay, so that's why you have the flour there.
Right.
Okay.
So what I do first, like this is the first stage, or you call it the prep.
Yeah.
So I make them in these little balls here first
Yes.
and allow them to like set, as we would call it, to raise.
Okay.
Right? So after that, say I make the entire tray. So while
Okay.
they relax,
Yes.
the oil is being heated. So you'll see the process as I go along.
Okay, so you're ready now?
Yeah.
Okay. But I realize that you make it flat. So you're gonna come out round though?
Yes.
Okay. See that, guys?
So I excess flour. So I dump. dust off the excess flour by doing this.
Okay. And how long these normally take to fry?
Say about 15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes? Okay.
So I have to make sure they are thin.
Yes.
So so they can soak properly.
Yes, yes.
Yes, and they have it here for you.
So how much dumpling you have in there? So about how much dumpling approximately you have in there? 40 dumpling?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that. Good fried dumpling with the ackee and saltfish. Oh gosh guys, look at that. Nice. Boy, these fried dumplings, they're big though, you know. And I think there are only 2 of those you can eat, not even 2. Yeah man. Look at this guys. Okay, so you got that scent inside of it. Good fried dumpling. Okay. What is that? Johnny cake? Yes. Johnny cake. Yes.
So our rice and peas is ready. Ready to go on the front to be served.
Okay, nice. Nice.
Lovely.
Nice, you know?
Yes. I can smell it too, you know. And the thing about it too, you know, what I realize in the chef, you cover it so all the scent just chop inside.
Right.
You know? As we say, you know, you just dehydrate it a bit, you know?
Yeah, let it take its time because jerk is all about time. You know?
Yes.
You know?
So yes, sir, chef. There was one ready.
Yeah, man. Nice and juicy, you know?
Yes. Yeah man, cause you want it nice and juicy. You know?
Yeah, you don't want it dry out too much.
No, you don't want it dry out too much.
Put in the seasoning for the oxtail.
Yes. So you add all the seasoning.
Yeah.
So it come to the final now.
Final stage now, you know?
Yes. See that guys?
Turning down.
Okay. So you're cutting up the seasoning for the ackee right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Sweet peppers,
Yes.
onion, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper.
Okay.
Make it colorful.
Yes. See that guys? See that guys? You're gonna add your saltfish now.
In my sausage.
Yeah.
Then let that simmer for a bit
Yeah.
before I have the sweet pepper and tomato and stuff.
Okay. Alright. Oh, so you just
Add
add.
my veggies.
Yeah.
Make it colorful.
Nice.
Pretty, eh?
Nice. Colorful. Aki.
My aki.
Yes, guys. Look how colorful that is. Yeah, man.
And I don't want to mix it too much, so give it a little black pepper.
Yeah.
And then we mix gently.
Okay. Look at that, guys.
And then I can turn my stove off and let it simmer. That's it.
Nice. Oh, a little bit of thyme.
A little bit of time. All good.
Yeah, nice. Nice. Yes, chef.
Come on, this is second one for the line.
Yes. Look at that, guys. Nice and juicy, you know?
Yeah.
Gosh. Yeah. Oh, gosh. Yes, ready to serve.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Nice and juicy. Look at that, guys. Oxtail.
This is the barbecue, eh?
This is the barbecue.
Yeah, barbecue.
Barbie jerk.
Yeah, not barbecue.
Barbie jerk. You hear that, guys?
Brush it with the sauce.
Yes.
And the sauce bacon onto it, eh?
Yes. Barbie jerk. So they're gonna make it stay and then you're gonna flip it.
Yeah.
Salt fish fritters. Look at this, guys.
So you see how we prepare the meals? Let me show you how the finished product looks. So this is the oxtail.
Nice. Look at that, guys. Yes, nice and juicy.
Rice and peas. And this is the corn. Red pea.
Guys, look at that.
Cow foot.
Wow.
Chicken foot. This is a goat. No, chicken.
Nice.
Fish. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
That's crunching. Gungo peas with beef.
Wow. Nice.
This is the goat.
Yes.
And we have our porridges here.
Yeah.
Cornmeal.
Nice.
How many corn?
One of my favorite. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Peanut.
Yes. Some good old peanut porridge. Yes, guys, look at that.
This is almond.
Nice. To all the people who love their almond porridge. Look at that, guys. Nice.
So we have patties here.
Yes.
Beef patty, jerk chicken patty, shrimp, ackee and saltfish, callaloo and saltfish, callaloo.
Okay.
That's beef there. Fried chicken, fried dumplings.
Oh, okay.
Festivals are coming up.
See, look at the festival, guys. Nice. Golden brown. Where are you guys located?
We're located at 2349 Finch Avenue West.
For all the people out there watching, what do you want to tell them?
Well, when you come here, you get authentic Jamaican food cooked by authentic Jamaican chefs. And the food is flavorful. And we have great staff, friendly customer service.
Yes.
And amazing food.
Okay. And you guys do catering too, right?
We do.
Okay. So, do you have a number where they can reach you?
It's 416-743-2446.
Okay. All right. Thank you for having me here today. And
Thank you for coming, and we appreciate you. And come on down, guys. Come and enjoy some good food.
all right. Thanks. Yes, guys. Look at that. This is all the porridge that you see the chef we're cooking this morning. No lie, guys. Porridge tastes real good. So right now, moving on to the next. Guys, look at this. 8 cups of soup. 8 different type of soup. Guys, right now, the soup, they're all on point. Flavor there, meat nice and tender. Well done, chef. Do a good job. Yeah, man. All right, guys. So, you know, if you finish off the breakfast in the morning, you have to have your ackee and saltfish with the fried dumpling and the ripe plantain. Yes. And as you can see how they were making the ackee and saltfish this morning, and you see how she was frying the dumpling. Yeah. Yeah, man. Nice. Yeah, man. Look at this, guys. Look at this. See all the sweet pepper. Tastes real good. Yeah, man. You see, I prepare, I see how you do the jerk chicken, you do it in the oven and then you finish it off on that grill. Yeah. Give it that smoky taste, and then the fried chicken. See how she do the fried chicken this morning and the barbie fry. Yeah, man.
Also the Barbie jerk.
Barbie jerk.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is one of our name addition.
Barbie jerk. Alright, guys, you hear that? So, I'm gonna try it. See, you can know, you know, guys. Nice and juicy, not too dry. Yep. Right. Fried chicken, bad man. Look at this, guys. Nice and juicy, man. Jerk chicken, nice. Let me try the barbie fry. As you did see how she were dip it in the sauce. Come on. Boy. And I have nothing bad to say about these food, cause the food nice. Honestly. Not because I'm here with the chef in the kitchen. Food tastes real good. And I want you guys to come on down here and try it for yourself. And leave it in the comment and let me know how the food tastes. Alright? The curry goat and the oxtail, guys. Gosh. Alright, let me try the oxtail first. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Nice. Fall off the bone. Remember, you know, you hear about Souperlicious, it's not just soup alone they cook down here. Look at these, oxtail, everything, chef. Oxtail, curry goat, fried chicken, jerk chicken, barbie jerk, barbie fry, ackee and saltfish, fried dumpling, and even more. And you guys know curry is my thing. Curry goat. Nice. Nice and tender. The only thing missing from this is some white rice. Some white rice.
You also
Yeah.
white rice or rice.
White rice or rice and peas. See that, guys? Yeah. But curry goat tastes nice. Nice and tender. Guys, the food is amazing. Want you to come on down here and try it. And when you try it, I want you to leave it in the comment and let me know what you think about the food. Yeah, man, and just tell them say you watch it on Kelvin and Friends Cook Up, and come on down here at Finch and Weston Road. Yes, Finch and Weston Road in Toronto. Souperlicious. Yeah, man. Food ready from 6:30 in the morning. Yes, guys, so make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend because we have a lot more great content like this coming your way. So, bless.